About 10 years ago, and it was nothing there. It was just a piece of paper. It's kind of like we have the rights to a certain name. It was called Bear Creek Coffee at the time. And it was, hey, let's open a coffee shop. And it's like, okay, well, let's start somewhere. So the idea was, okay, first let's sell coffee. So I started selling coffee door to door out of an office off Mesa Hills. We bought coffee from a guy out of Indiana. We packaged it, and then we try to turn around and we sell it to everybody. One of our first customers was Walgreens. It's a nitpicky process to get the beans from origin to an importer, because we have to decide what we want, how we want to go about it. Try to create recipes based on samples that we get, and then once we get it, then the fun begins. So we get the raw beans in from our importer, and then once we get it in, we put it in the sample roaster. We roast it multiple different ways, try to find the perfect flavor profile. Then once we find the perfect flavor profile for those beans, then we put it in our big production roaster. So it goes in a front loader. From the front loader goes into the roaster. We have a laptop hooked to it, so we can then measure temperature and time, roast development, and all the other nuances that go into it. Find the perfect temperature. Beans come out, go into a destoner, and then they go into a bag and out to the customer.